This is the Donner Pass Trail. I did another video on the Donner Pass Trail, on a different section of it, and I'll link to that in the description. But the point here is that COTREX, showed in gray, is pretty close to what I believe is the likely true location of the trail. I'll just turn on that Strava heat map to kind of demonstrate that. We've got heat all along the location depicted by COTREX. OpenStreetMap does have a little detour here, if you will. So it seems that people are going in both locations there. So all is good with COTREX, with at least within my level of expectation. But let's turn on the data from the Forest Service. And that shows up in blue. And you can see that there is a discrepancy there between COTREX, OpenStreetMap, and the Forest Service data. And that distance is about 765 feet. So by no means insignificant. And again, this is an issue only with the Forest Service data and not with COTREX. I think an interesting question is, where did COTREX get their data if it doesn't match the Forest Service's data? So is there another repository of trail data within the Forest Service that was given to COTREX but is not available on the website from where I downloaded the Forest Service data?